Okay, kwento ko lang life at the moment. We are here in Oman and we are staying in one of the most luxurious area, Muscat Bay. So parang ano siya, villa compound in this area. Tapos papakita ko lang sa inyo yung landscape. Sobrang astig. Nakita niyo yan? Yung mga rocky formation sa likuran, yung Rocky Mountains. As in katabing-katabi lang nila. So dahil talagang malalaking bato sila, they can easily create a villa dun sa baba nang walang fear of landslide. Tsaka siguro may halong engineering na rin yan. Pero ang galing ngayon lang nakita ng mga structures that close to the like some mountain formation at the back. Di ba sa Philippines dahil puro lupa, most of the time isipin natin na baka magka-landslide. So walang ganyan kalapit. Pero kaya at night, sa gabi, nung dumating yung week kagabi, parang nagugulat ako na ano yung parang a little bit, parang shadowy figure doon sa likuran niya. Yan pala. Tapos ganito kaganda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung landscape. Ganda no? So, pupunta pa kami sa isa pang beach dito sa Oman. Ngayon si MK. Morning MK!
Morning, boss.
So yun yung one of our executive managers dito. We just recently hired and he's also helping us go around, have some break, mag-tour. Ganda ng mga flowers. Nakaka-inspire naman yung mga bulaklak. Okay, time to move. Punta na kami sa isang beach dito sa Oman. I'll update my wife about the mansion of Mamun. Let's go.
So they have their own beach.
Beach eh.
Ay, shit. Sorry, video.
Anita, tara. Time to go. Sakay na. So, papunta na kami sa beach. And, ready na? Ready na kayo? Okay, tara, tara. Somewhere in Oman. And, naghihintay na lang kami ng boat namin. Sa area ng Oman na to, there's a lot of European residents dito. They buy a house here, they bring their families here. Tapos dito na rin sila nag-work sa city, sa Muscat, somewhere in Muscat area. Ito itsura ng beach, oh. Ganda. So, life at the moment. Summer na dito and masarap mag-beach. Actually, ang daming nakatira just close to the beach. enjoying the waters, enjoying the landscape.
Mm.
Andito na yung boat ride namin. So nakakatuwa kasi sa Philippines, diba, sanay tayo island hopping, boat ride. So it's also the same thing here. Hindi ko nakala na highly developed ang beach experience dito sa Middle East. Oman. Kahit sa UAE, sa Fujairah area. Tsaka marami pang mga beach locations doon. Hindi lang kaya natin gawin all throughout like 12 months of the year. Pero may mga months tsaka seasons na very convenient ang
It's very cold.
beach experience. Ganda. Second day beach experience. Beach, boat, sea experience. Ganda. Okay. Wow.
Once I'll take it from here.
Sir.
Yeah, hold it.
Wait.
You can jump inside.
Ay, wow.
Jump. Yeah, go in the water.
Oh my God. Ganda.
Perfect.
Wow. You can jump? It's safe?
Yes. If you want, yes. It's not, here, there will be one more place. Or give the same pose, just remove your feeling it. Dapat dito no?
Diyan, sagot.
May bato Look at that. Back. Okay na.
One, two, three, go.
Join the mix in 26!
Sabi na lang, steady lang.
Ganyan lang, ganda.
Ganyan. Wow! Ano, tatalon? Anita, tatalon ba ako? Talon. Once in a lifetime experience. So, I'm not ready. I don't have any clothes. But if they'll tell me to jump, I'll jump.
Yes, you have to. Yes, go jump. Jump.
Jump and then leave me behind.
Yeah, he's stopping you well. It's not deep. See, there's another.
Jump?
You can. Yes. Will.
Wide.
Yeah, it's wide.
Okay, perfect.
Inshallah.
Wait,
Inshallah.
I have a plan. So I'm actually wearing boxers. So I'll just wear boxers in your car. But
Yes.
I don't want to do boxers. So I'll reverse it. So I'll just change.
Okay, go,
No
go,
problem.
go.
Go ahead, take a video of him.
Go.
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 Give it here. Give it here.
Go. You want also to jump? To join?
Join the mix.
Join the mix.
Join the mix.
Join the mix. You want to join the mix?
Let first Ian go.
Just wearing boxers.
Join the mix.
It's okay. Go.
Join the mix. I'm taking
So at least I have shorts
Yes.
going back home.
Go, sir. Join the mix in 26. Go. Join the mix in 26.
Join the
Take Anita.
in 26.
Go.
Okay, be careful.
Be careful, sir.
Ivy pa.
Wait lang. Wait. Hintayin mo ko.
Ito yung
Just see around where it's around. Yeah, but there's
Da?
no
dive straight. Dito ka.
Wait.
Hawakan dito. Dito sa side. Para may rocks.
Wait. Hawakan mo ko, sir.
Hawak. Yan.
Wait lang isa-set up ko muna. Perfect.
Wide.
Yeah, it's wide. Go.
Patingin. Whole body, half body.
Wait lang Di ba may picture to? Para makita mo muna. Check mo. Lang.
See you, go!
Ayan, nadadap na siya.
1x mo na lang.
Wag na, hindi naman nakikita.
Sige.
Go, in and
SP
out.
Madrid.
Yes!
Anita, stop moving. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle because I'm just gonna jump.
Yeah, Anis
Video ko rin
gumagalaw.
ako, video ko.
Anis gumagalaw. Huwag ka magulo. Huwag ka magulo. Sabi ko sa Anita Reyes lang ka lang.
Okay, you jump.
Okay.
Wait, ibibideo ko nga rin siya.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
SP Madrid. Join the mix in 26.
There you go.
Yay! Oh
You
my
need
God.
to go till that curve.
Oh man, let's go! MK, jump!
Ganda.
Is it deep?
Huh?
Is it deep?
Dito. Okay na. Isa pa, landscape.
Yeah. Wait lang Stop ko lang. Anis, si sir walang slow.
Perfect.
Oh. Ang ganda
Swim towards the cave.
Ang ganda sir, go.
Go lang, sir. Ang ganda ng
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng cave, oh.
Oo nga, perfect.
Perfect. Dun sa cave.
Ayan.
Take it in 0.5 so that
Yeah,
it will become
it's-
full cave.
Yeah, multi.
Look at how clean you can see it out. Hey, so many fishes. See there.
Yes.
Yeah.
There is a lot of
You can see fishes, corals inside.
Okay na. Vlog.
Wait. Vlog ka na.
You should keep vlogging from inside now. We'll take a video for you.
Game.
Lapit ang sa mic.
You can stand there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the best moments of my life. I'll vlog a little bit. Dito. And dapat ako.
Ang ganda ng view.
ganda,
Ay,
ganyan
okay. Diyan ka na.
Okay na?
Nakikita yung cave.
Okay na.
Brother
What?
here.
One of the best moments of my life.
Stop.
Who would have thought? Like someone from me, from the Philippines, all of a sudden, in UAE, Middle East, Oman, and now getting the best locations, best spots, making friends, and building businesses in another part of the world. This is a dream come true. Let's go. Let's go. Time to go.
Come from that side. Maybe that will be easy for you to. Wait, brother.
Go.
You know, I have lately I'm getting vertigo
Ah, okay.
swimming.
See there, so many color fishes.
Up to what point, Ivy? Hanggang doon?
Oo.
Under or just somewhere in front?
Somewhere in front.
Somewhere in front. We will
Somewhere
take
in
it from you.
front.
This is the right place. We are exactly in between. Ano? Here?
Yes, correct.
Perfect!
Perfect view.
Here.
I'll take a new video from
Here.
you. Take a look.
Yeah, correct. Diyan na, sir.
Yan ka na, perfect. Ang perfect.
Okay na yan. Okay na.
Ganda.
10
Yeah, you need to
seconds.
come because there are other boats coming. Come,
Okay, halika na.
come.
Yes.
You can go near.
You can go near or no?
Yeah. Little front. Anyway, he's gonna come.
My name is Ian Madrid Omani. And if you want to look for me, I'm not in the Philippines. I'm in Oman.
Exotic Oman.
Ang ganda. Ganda yung landscape nitong bato.
Ako pa pa-disgrasya.
Hindi na pantay. Here, MK, you're staying.
Video mo ko.
Go, naka-video to.
Lapit ka.
We just balance there.
Go.
Next place.
Place.
Next place.
Go.
Muscat.
Oh my God.
I will
You'll just go.
Water is really good. Water is really good.
Yes, brother.
Go.
Purido. Okay na, Ivy. Thank you. Grabe, crazy wild experience. Ay, ito yung shades ko. So, nakaupo ako sa isang puno, no? Vertigo ako. Bawal lang mag-float. Float anyway.
Wide mo, wide. 6.5 na iti.
lang.
Oh, that's a nice location.
This is my new location.
New
You want
location.
a boat ride? Boat ride, 500 dirhams.
Umani ay real.
Boat ride po.
Earlier, I thought I was gonna vomit. I'm like trying to hold it in. Okay na?
Yeah.
So, this is the plan to...
No, better go there. Yeah, yeah.
This one.
This is like, you can't see anything from here anyway.
Yeah.
Here. I think
Yeah, there.
Naging squatter na siya. Ayan yan. Hindi ka nakikita. So, hindi ka... So, hindi ka nakikita. Hindi ka namin makita.
Yes, we are not watching.
no one's watching.
No one's watching.
No one's watching. There's CCTV everywhere.
Just someone is watching from up from the window to you.
Say hi. Say hi.
Pilita na. Ano dito? Cowboy tayo, cowboy.
Hindi nga nakikita. Ang kulit eh.
Okay, perfect. Perfect.
So,
You can just keep
ito
that
na.
straight in the maybe in the backside so it may get dry. This one. And the shoes we have kept.
Nakanyan eh.
Let's go.
Kaya na ano?
So, after the swim, what happened?
Nagka-vertigo ko. And for the TikTok experience, for the TikTok content, I need to do that. So, apply na.
Try na.
But require medicines now only when you go home.
Oh.
Is there a medicine for vertigo?
I think it's same for migraine.
So it's just like
You feel like
every time, so before I used to swim a lot. Hindi, okay na. Time to go. Epic experience.
Andito yung ano mo.
Oo.
Kamakan mo. Dito sa likod yung ano ko.
Kasama mo yung bahay. Malayo ang malayo. So, I'm home. It's been a great experience visiting Oman. Magliligpit lang and then babalik na kami UAE. Diyan ka na. Hindi, sige, sundan mo sa likod. Sundan mo sa likod. Ito yung bahay. Ano? Dito yung mga bahay nung sinundan mo ako. Ha? Oo. Bahay Muscat Bay. Another view moment in Oman. Let's check it out. Tingnan nyo yung view. Parang European vibe dito sa Oman. Kung makakarating kayo kung makakasama kayo sa akin sa Dubai, UAE, you have to join me here in Oman. Talaga may European vibe din ang architecture nila dito. Tsaka design ng city. Stig, let's go. So, audio ang service namin dito. Courtesy of Mubarak. So, explore namin ang local market dito sa Muscat. Tatawid na. Kasi Nicole kung anong gusto niya. So, papasok kami sa isang local market dito sa Muscat. Ganda, ang linis. Ha?
Alba.
Magtanong ka muna bago kayo pumasok. Tawagin mo na ako pag ano. Pag may mabango tsaka kung magkano. So ito na yung main road within Muscat. Tapos that's the old market. Tatawid na kami. Saan si MK? So we are now in Mutra. Isa sa pinaka-center of commerce sila dito, both for tourism, market, tsaka mga ito, sightseeing. Ganda. Gano'n ka matagal? Ate, mag-hello ka sa TikTok ko. Bati ka lang. Hello. Ano name mo?
Judy Ann po.
So, andito kami sa... Anong pangalan ng Muscat tayo? Ay, Muscat ng Oman. Nasa tayo ngayon?
Itong
Yeah,
place ko. Al-Shati po.
So, Al-Shatik.
Al-Shati po.
Basta yun, nasa Al-Shatik kami. Waterfront. Nasa waterfront kami ngayon sa Oman. Umorder kami sa bakehouse. And to our surprise, nandito si Ate Judy Ann. Message muna sa Philippines.
Kamusta po sa mga kapamilya? Parang nasa ano.
Actually, nakakatuwa kasi ano siya.
Number mo. Hindi kami dito. Sige.
Oo. Kasi babalik kami ulit for another day. So, Ilocana siya. Ilocana si Ivy.
Yeah.
Nagkaintindihan sila pero wala pa rin kami discount eh.
Hindi ako na pagka... Lingayin ka? Oh? Lingayin? Binalonan po.
Sige. Tapos yun, nasa ano siya, ano tawag sa ganito market? Ano tawag sa trabaho mo?
Sa restaurant po, kapag
So, anong course mo sa atin? Anong course mo sa atin? Ano school ka galing?
University of Eastern Pangasinan.
University of Eastern Pangasinan. Shout out sa mga jowa. Sabi mo.
Sa mga jowa? Jowa.
Na yun lang. So, next time makadaan kami Oman, baka kontak ka na, bigyan mo kami referral kung sa kami papasyal dito.
Sa... Hindi pa rin.
Hindi, umikot na kami.
Nakapagpasyal-pasyal dito.
Sobra ka, 3 years ka na, hindi ka pa mapapasyal.
Opo.
Ayun, hindi okay dito eh. May isa lang.
Once a week lang.
Once a week lang doon.
Hindi mo pinaplano mag-Dubai, masaya ka na dito sa Oman.
Pag pumunta ka, message mo na lang ako.
Plano mo rin?
Kaso wala din.
Kontakin mo siya. Marami siyang kontak sa Dubai.
Okay po.
Message. May WhatsApp tayo.
Follow mo kami sa TikTok. Makikita mo to sa
Wala po akong
TikTok.
TikTok.
Ipapost ko. Bakit? Paano mo siya
Huwag
makikita?
kayong mag-ano.
Paano kung sumikat ka sa TikTok? Tapos hinahanap ka nila. Tapos nakita Judy Ann, naghahanap sila ng bagong Judy Ann sa
Ano
Pilipinas.
yung pangalan niya?
I-message ka nila sa TikTok.
Wala po akong TikTok.
Panoorin mo sa TikTok mo.
Hindi pa ako nag-TikTok. Wala po.
Hindi, ngayon papanoorin mo yung sarili mo sa TikTok, kaya kailangan mo mag-TikTok.
Hindi ako nag-Facebook kaka ano eh.
Sobra ka naman. Eh, ginagawa mo dito.
WhatsApp lang tsaka Messenger.
Puro ka-chat. Puro ka-chat ang pinagkakaabalahan niya.
Grabe po.
Bait ka na.
8 p.m. hanggang 11. Pasok ko po lagi ng 2 p.m.
Thank you, Judy. Ano? Sige. Shout out sa mga fans ko.
Thank you po.
So si Judy Ann, Waterfront. Kung gusto niyo makita si Judy dito sa Oman, sa Waterfront siya. Pag na-discover siya, puntahan niyo dito. Dahil hindi siya nagti-TikTok, hindi niyo alam kung paano siya makontak. Bye-bye. Sige.
Thank you po.
So, si Judy nag-work na dito sa Oman for the last 3 years. Never pa niya na-try mag-Dubai. Dito lang niya na-base yung sarili niya. And yun lang. Siguro tinatanong ko sa kanya paano mo mako-compare. Pero hindi nga niya mako-compare ang Dubai sa Oman kasi dito lang siya ever for the last 3 years. From Pangasinan, Binalonan, di ba? Binalonan. So, Ilocana. At Ilocana rin si sige, isang Ilocana nga dyan.
Napintas tayo amin, Apo.
Yan. Kung ano man yun. Let's go. So ito, yun yung nandun sa dulo yung bakehouse, andun sa dulo. So yung trabaho ni Judy ang swerte niya kasi lalabas siya dito everyday yun. Tapos paglabas niya dito, ang view na niya kagad yung dagat ng Oman. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung view ni Judy Ann everyday. Judy Ann, kung may TikTok ka na, shout out sa'yo. Ano? So this is the Oman Beach. Ganda. So ang dami nilang coastlines dito. Kaya wala lang, napaka-relaxing lang dito sa Oman kasi karamihan ng mga tourist destination palagi may katabing beach area, beach activities. Tsaka maganda yung weather, maganda sobra.